Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, this is the Rideshare Hub, as you can see, and in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to make $2,000 per week driving for Uber. And yes, it is possible. You can make over $100,000 a year driving for Uber. Why? Because there's a lot of people right now going out and they need rides, and long rides too. Uber actually just posted their earnings and it was the highest ever that they've had. So just goes to show that it is very popular right now to basically be out and driving for Uber and making a lot of money. So before we get started, I did want to thank our video sponsor, which is Play Octopus. This is going to help you in your journey to making $2,000 a week. You put this on your headrest right there, and your passengers will play games. So use our link below, use our code, and they will send you a free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver will make up to an extra $100 per month using this. So check it out, it's really fun, and it's just free money waiting for you. There's no reason not to. All right, so this comes out of our Uber/Lyft drivers Facebook group. This is a guy who posted, his name is Michael. He is he earns $2,000 a week. He posts his screenshots in the group. And as you can see, in simply 4 days, about 3.5 days, he made over $1,000. So his strategy is going really, really hard on Monday. And as you can see here, he goes another $2,000 plus on a week on the way. Other businesses also doing well. Great job, man. People are gonna be hating and be jealous of you, asking, oh, put in the hours. STFU, he put in the hours more than any of these haters. That is why he is getting 2K a week. Keep it up, man. Never let these haters slow your flow. And you run a yacht business, bro. You are a top G. So he's a Tate fan. Keep it up, man. Do you guys listen to Tate or Tristan Tate? And then he showed this as well. 31 hours to make over $1,000. So to make $2,000 a week, as you can see here, you're gonna have to drive around 60 hours in a single week. So if you drive for 6 days and you want 1 day off, you gotta drive 10 hours per day. You might be thinking 10 hours of driving? Start at 5 a.m. and you'll be off at 3 p.m. Just do that 6 days a week. You know, put in the hustle. If you only gotta do this for a year or two, make 200 grand and then go move on with your life. Do something else. Maybe save up for a down payment on a house. So just wanted to make that quick video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And again, please sign up for Play Octopus with the link in the description so you can make up to an extra $100 per month simply by putting this cool tablet in your car. And it comes with a little strap here as well as a charger. And when you use the link below, you'll get this all sent to you. It comes with a data plan and your passengers will play games. You just put it on your headrest right there and make some money. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.